Hello, for today's class, you're going to be required to round whole numbers. So I'm going to show you two strategies that I want you to use. The first is a number line. So here we're going to round this number 24,756 to the nearest thousands place. And remember that our less than symbol is right here and our greater than symbol is right here. So as we move to the right, our number is getting greater. And as we move to the left, our number is getting less of a value. And if it's asking us to round to the nearest thousands place, this is going to be the digit that we need to focus on first. So our number is going to be either between 24,000 or the next 1,000, which is 25,000. So that's going to be our 2 points on our number line, since we are rounding to the nearest thousands place. So this is going to be labeled 24,000, and this is going to be labeled 25,000. Now, the second part of this is you need to find out where the rest of this number is going to be located on the number line. So 765, we got to know where our middle point is, and that's going to be our benchmark. So we're going to make a point right there in the middle, and we're going to label that 24,500 because it is directly in between 24,000 and 25,000. And if we were going to mark where 765 is, it would probably fall along right here. So I'm going to mark that as 24,765. And the question you have to ask yourself is, which thousand would you want 24,765 to round to? Is it going to be easier for 24,765 to travel this far? Or is it going to be easier for 24,765 to travel this far? We would rather walk forward this many than walk backwards that many. Essentially, you're moving about 235 to the right, whereas moving back 765. So this number rounded to the nearest thousand is 25,000. Now, another strategy that you all know that I'm going to remind you is our nice little jingle. So I'm going to temporarily erase this. And we are going to use our jingle, which is we're going to circle the number. If we're rounding to the thousands place, we're going to circle the number and we're going to look to our right. That number on our right, that 7, is going to tell us whether we need to round up or stay the same. So when we say circle the number, look next door, if this 7 is 5 or greater, you're going to buy one more than 4,000. One more than 4,000 is 5,000. Numbers to the left are going to stay the same sometimes. In this case it is, because we're not changing it. It's not turning into another 10,000. And the numbers to the right, these 3 numbers here, they all change to zeros because whatever place value you're rounding to, that's going to name the number. So rounding to the nearest thousands place, we're going to end in 3 zeros. So all of 765 is going to turn all to zeros because you're rounding it to the nearest thousands, which is 25,000. All right, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to want you to work on this next part of our day. I'm going to want you to round 498,732 to the nearest 10 thousands place. You can go ahead.